Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and be.
Okay, so before we get started on styling our hot cocoa bar, I'm going to share a quick and easy white hot chocolate recipe with you guys. So I already have my crock pot over here warming up. It's been warming up for quite some time now, so it's nice and ready to go. And then first and foremost, I have my crock pot liners, because if Shanti sees me use my crock pot one more time without a liner, she's going to kill me. So I have those. And then for the recipe, you will need some white chocolate. So I have these Premier white morsels. I have 2 packs. I'm going to be doubling the recipe because I plan to share it with family and friends. But if it's just yourself and a few other people, then you can definitely cut this in half, so you'll only need 1 bag. And then I have some whole milk. You can use your milk of choice, 1%, 2%, any milk that you'd like. And then I have some heavy whipping cream and vanilla extract. So now I'm just going to add everything into the crock pot. I'm going to keep my crock pot on 8 hours, between 8 and 10 hours. I'm just gonna let it go all day long so that it stays warm. Now, I've never done this in a crock pot, so I'm not sure if me keeping it on all day will burn it. So we'll just kind of see as we go, but I just want to cook it on low. That way it doesn't burn. So I know my daughter is going to be so excited when she gets home from school. So that'll be a pleasant surprise for her. And then while we are working on our hot cocoa bar, this will be all melting and just doing its thing. And when we're done, we can enjoy ourselves a nice hot cup of white hot chocolate. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get started.
Chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
So here we are with a blank canvas. I've already cleared the area out. All that needs to be done right now is a good dust. I've already hung up a sign. It says candy canes and hot cocoa shop, sweet and warm, served every day. That kind of set the whole mood for my inspiration here. So we're just gonna get to dusting and then decorating.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
If this is your first time visiting my channel today, I just want to say welcome. My name is Tanisha, and here on my channel, I do all things homemaking and home decor related. I love it. It's my jam. So if that is something that you're into, I definitely recommend subscribing. You will love it here. We do lots of fun things during the holidays and just in general. So I would really love to have you stay and be a part of my YouTube family. I'm a mom of 2. I have a 6-year-old daughter. Her name is Riley, and I have a 1-year-old. Her name is Holland. So you guys will see them every so often appear in some of my videos. But yeah, so I'm so happy that you've decided to stop by and watch this video, and I hope that you enjoy it.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
I would say the majority of my inspiration was pulled from the sign that I have hanging above. I've had that sign for about 2 years now, and it came from Antique Farmhouse. If you have not checked out that website, I highly recommend that you do. The only downfall about the website is that they take forever to ship, but their products are so super cute, especially for the holidays. I actually used this sign last year in my Christmas Clean and Decorate With Me video, which I will link down below just in case you guys want extra inspiration. So that'll be there for you to check out. But here I'm just going to be filling up a canister with these gingerbread cookies that I picked up from Walmart. Aren't they so cute? If you're not a gingerbread fan, you can still get these and just display them. I don't know if that's just going to waste, but they're just so cute. I couldn't help myself. I'm not a big fan of gingerbread cookies. I would definitely have to be craving them to eat them. But like I said, I just couldn't pass these guys up. They're just so cute, especially for Christmas.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
These cookie cutters came from the Hearth and Hand collection at Target, and I think they're so cute. I went ahead and added these to the shelves, and I thought they made the perfect addition.
Hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change.
The majority of pieces that you'll be seeing me use in today's video either came from Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, or Target. Those are some of my most favorite stores to shop for decor during the holidays. Do you guys have any stores that you would recommend, or stores that you absolutely love to shop for decor? I know that Target is usually my go-to, but I also like to expand and find new stores. I also really love Kirkland's. And I have ran into a few of you in person, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for supporting my channel, even when I look crazy, because half the time when I'm at the store, I'm looking crazy, like I just rolled out of bed, but that's just mom life. I do try to be presentable on most days, but sometimes it's just too much work. As long as my kids look good, then I'm okay with that.
From this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree
I wasn't completely happy with the way this towel looked next to the pillow because it was a little bit too matchy for me. I instead went ahead and hung this hand towel from the Hearth and Hand collection, and I think it just breaks it up a bit and it looks a lot better. So now I'm getting ready to fill up my canister with all of the hot cocoa goodness. Aren't these marshmallows so cute? I believe those are called mug huggers. So what you do is you put that at the edge of your mug for display, or you can even dip those into your hot cocoa, whatever you prefer. The hot cocoa goodness is endless and you can do whatever you choose. So I'm also going to be filling up these jars with some crushed peppermints, some marshmallow sticks, and hot cocoa.
Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall. The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile. I can't seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too, like a vibration right between us with a beautiful two. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
To make these jars a bit more festive, I thought it would be a cute idea to tie some twine around them. So I'm just going to be wrapping the twine around twice and then tying a cute little bow. I think this adds a lot more character.
Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for that we'll fall in love in this winterland. Could we fall in love in this winterland? Wanna fall in love in this winter wonderland.
I'm currently working on an upload schedule for you guys, so you'll have to let me know what days and times you would like me to upload. That way I can get a general idea. I would also love to communicate with you guys much more than I do. I'm so sorry that it's been like almost a week and some change since I have uploaded a video, but I promise you I am working on it. I will get better. Thank you so much if you are still here watching this video. I really genuinely appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. We are now reaching the end. I'm going to give you guys an overview of the before, and then I will show you guys the after all in one. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking here and just let the music play and let you guys just enjoy this beautiful Christmas montage. And I hope you guys were able to grab lots and lots of inspiration. I cannot wait to hear from you guys, and I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's not